In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted projects in Asana, a useful skill that can really save the day when you accidentally remove an important project. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive into the steps. First things first, you'll want to locate the search bar at the top of your Asana interface. It's pretty prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Just click on that search bar to get started. Once you've clicked on the search bar, look to the right side. You'll see an icon that resembles 3 descending lines. This icon represents advanced search options. Go ahead and give that icon a click. This opens up your advanced search view where you can refine your search criteria. Now here's where it gets specific. You want to focus on finding those deleted projects. So in the advanced search view, look for a search category option. Make sure to change that category to projects. By doing this, you'll ensure that the search results only show the projects that you previously had in Asana. Next, you'll want to fine-tune your search even further by adjusting the status field. You'll see a drop-down menu with various options. From there, select Deleted. This is crucial because it narrows down your search to show only the projects that have been deleted. Once you've set those fields correctly, go ahead and click the Search button. This will generate a list of all projects that match your criteria. Essentially, all the projects you've deleted. Take your time to browse through the search results to find the specific project that you want to recover. When you spot the project you need, click on its name. This will take you to a dedicated view where you can see more details about the project that was removed. This is also where you have a very important option available to you. Look for the option that says Restore Project. It should be quite clear. Go ahead and select that option. By clicking on this, you will instantly bring back all the original content and details associated with that project. It's almost like magic. With just one click, everything you thought was lost is back. Once you've done that, take a moment to check your result. Navigate back to your project list and see your recovered project staring back at you. Isn't it fantastic to know that you can manage your projects like this, even after making a mistake? And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted project in Asana using a few simple steps. Remember, it's always possible to get things back if you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insights and tips on using Asana to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and happy project